Good evening. As a mother of the groom, I would like to take this moment to express my heartfelt thanks to each and every one of you for being here tonight to celebrate the wedding of my son and my daughter-in-law. First of all, I would like to thank to our God. Lord, thank you so much for this beautiful day you have given to us and for bringing all of us together to celebrate this wonderful occasion. To my husband Larry and his family, thank you so much for everything and for accepting my son JC with love and kindness. Walang salita. Kung paano ko kayo pasalamatan. I would also like to give special thanks to our special guest, our boss, Jose, Dr. Gavin Lai, Sir, good evening, and Madam Lily, good evening. Thank you so much for joining us celebrating JC and Sherilyn wedding all the way from Brunei. Madam and Sir, thank you so much. Thank you for your kindness, your generosity, and for being part of this unforgettable memory. We are all honored that you are here to share in our happiness. We appreciate how you lead by example. Thank you, Madam and Sir. To Father John and my friend Charlie, I am so grateful you made a trip all the way from Brunei to celebrate with us. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. To my family from Iloilo, Guimaras, thank you so much for your love and support. My nanay and tatay, my brother and sister, all the way from Iloilo, thank you so much. And my friend from Manila, thank you so much, Nang. Your presence meant a lot to us. To my sister Florence, thank you a lot for always there, especially when I needed a hand. Kasi po nasa Brunei ako, siya po lahat. Thank you so much. To all principal sponsor, kayo po lahat, yung mga kumare-kumpare, especially po yung Vice Mayor natin po. Thank you for standing as witnesses to JC and Sherilyn Union. Your wisdom and guidance are valuable to them as they begin this new chapter. Thank you for your generosity and for making the day truly unforgettable. Thank you po mga kumpare and kumpadre. JC, today you are not longer a single man. You are now a married man. There are so many emotions that fill my heart today. I feel joy as I remember the day you were born and I was given the greatest gift. I feel happiness that you have found your true love as you became husband and wife. I feel peace that you have a partner to share the good and bad times as you walk your life. I was blessed with a wonderful son like you. You have grown into a good man, hardworking, responsible, and kind-hearted. You have always had a loving heart. I am so proud of you. Now that you are married, I want you to always take good care of your wife. Love her, respect her, and be responsible for your family. Kuya JC, mark this word. Happy wife,
Happy life.
happy wife, happy life. Love her parents as well. Because if you truly love her, you should love the people who raised her. Okay? To my beautiful daughter-in-law, Cherilyn, you are truly beautiful inside and out. Thank you for loving my son, JC. Please continue to love and respect each other. You won't be just his wife, you will be one of us. Welcome to our family. To the parents of Cherilyn, our kumare and kumpare, maraming salamat po for the wonderful life you have given to Cherilyn and for raising such a kind and loving daughter. Remember, you didn't lose a daughter, you gained a son. Ninong, huwag po kayong mag-alala, hindi po kayo nabawasan ng anak. Kung di nadagdagan pa po, meron na po kayong anak na lalaki na pwede nyo pong asahan o sandalan sa oras ng inyong pangangailangan. Di ba, kuya? Tama ba? To the newlywed JC and Cherilyn, congratulations! May your home be filled with love and laughter. I wish you both a lifetime of happiness together. Welcome to the happy married life. Let us all raise our glasses to have a toast. Sige, okay. Later down.
We will do that later, everybody.
Okay,
Now,
thank you.
Thank you so much, Mommy. Palakpakan naman natin si Mommy Erlinda. Now, Dad, it's your turn. Your message, please.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I wanna say thank you to our special guest to attend my stepson wedding, Dr. Galvin Lai, and Madam Lily Yu, and Father Jung, and everyone. You all coming to celebrate with us. To you, GC, now that you are married, my only request is take care of your wife and your future children, as I take care of my and your mother and your sister. To both of you, GC and Cherilyn, strong your marriage and always pray to our Lord for guidance always. Good luck and congrats. Cheers!
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the parents of our groom, Daddy Larry and Mommy Erlinda. Maraming salamat po. And now let's hear it from the parents of our bride. We have Daddy Cesar and Mommy Alicia for their message. Palakpakan natin sila, everybody! Good evening, good Daddy. Please join us here po on stage. Your message for our newlyweds, lalo na po sa inyong napakagandang anak na si Cherry. Mommy, please join us here po. Sige po.
Message ko sa dalawa, sana konting pagkuha, pag-usapan nila para magaling maayos kung ano man ang hindi nila pagkaunawaan. Che, mahalin mo yung asawa, pagsilbihan ko siya. Salamat.
There you go. Palakpakan naman natin. That's Daddy Cesar. Maraming salamat po, Daddy. Ayan, kiss na lang kay Cherry. Oo. Thank you so much po. Mami, may gusto po kayo idagdag, Mami? Okay. O, i-chat-chat na lang daw ni Mami. Okay. Thank you so much, Mami. Palakpakan naman natin the parents.